Action News, always taking action for you.
First today, 5, the Enterovirus outbreak now confirmed in Michigan. A Washtenaw County baby suffering from paralysis after catching it.
It's a respiratory illness that's spreading through parts of the country. And tonight we've learned one child in Rhode Island has died since becoming infected. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell joins us live with what you need to know. Kim, what do we know about this child who died?
The Rhode Island Health Department says the child died last week and was suffering from not only the enterovirus, but staph infection. And not always, but a lot of times that's what they're seeing. The kids who have the most severe, devastating symptoms and consequences are fighting not only the enterovirus, but something else. Nonetheless, this virus on its own has doctors and parents on edge. Right now, the CDC is responding to an outbreak of a virus that seems to hurt kids the most. It's called Enterovirus D68. The virus has made almost 500 people in 41 states sick in August and September. Almost all of them were kids. U of M pediatrician Dr. Matthew Davis says there have been dozens of confirmed cases in Michigan, and the number is expected to increase as labs catch up and test suspected cases.
We've had these 25 confirmed cases from the Centers for Disease and Control and Prevention in Atlanta. That is a small subset of all the specimens that we sent to Atlanta.
Most of the time, it looks like a cold, but sometimes it's much more severe. In Washtenaw County, a child less than a year old was just released from the hospital after catching it and is dealing with weakness in his legs. Doctors don't know if it's permanent.
It's really too early to tell what the recovery is going to be, because this is really going to be something that plays out over a matter of weeks and months rather than just a few days. It's going to be a period where the nervous system requires some time to try to heal up and recover that function that the child had before.
Several other kids around the country have also suffered paralysis or weakness, and many kids who get sick are suffering from a severe respiratory illness. Now, enteroviruses in general tend to go around in the summer and the fall, so we are right in the middle of the season for this type of virus, so expect to see more cases. In the meantime, as for how you protect yourself, it's just like the cold as to how it goes around, so a lot of hand washing and just avoiding germs, sneezing, the same thing as you would do if you were trying to avoid getting a cold. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Good advice.